Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is teach what you know on your own website. You can do that in many different forms. There are dedicated websites and we use one of them, and basically on these dedicated websites you can create these online courses like we do, and you can put those courses in a sort of manner to create landing pages, thank you pages and stuff like that, so you can really guide your potential students and your students through your course. You can organize it in such a way that everybody who enroll can enjoy. You can create free and paid courses. You can create memberships like we do. So make sure to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below with all of my courses, design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So you can really earn a lot of money on these teaching websites, and the one I'm recommending because personally I'm using it is Teachable. I will leave the link down in the description below so you can check it out. And in case you want to create just one course, Teachable is fantastic. If you want to create your school like I have with many different courses, then Teachable is even better because it can really help you scale. If you're good at code, you can really customize that website and create it however you want. They have different plans and they also have a free plan. So once again, you can check it out and test it out for yourself. But the key benefit of teaching on your own website is of course money. When you're teaching on other platforms, these platforms are taking big cut, but when you're teaching on your own website, you are taking majority of the money home. So basically you can determine where users are going to sign up, how the overall experience is going to look like. You are the one in charge of the overall look and feel, about the pace, about the rhythm, about every single thing about that learning experience for your students, and you can give them discounts however you want. You can provide whatever you want to them. It's all up to you because it's your website. So once again, I really recommend Teachable. There are different options out there and I will also leave the link to some of them down in the description below. But as I said, I like Teachable. I've been using them for years and they are great because they send their payments via PayPal. So every single month I get my payments via PayPal and I can simply send them there to my personal bank account and my company account. So if you don't know what you should be teaching, just teach what you know, teach what you're passionate about, teach what you think that users are going to enjoy, that people are going to enjoy looking at and learning from you because you're real good at those particular tips or techniques. Make sure to share them with the world and you will be amazed at how many people are interested in the same thing as you, but they don't know how to do it in as good way as you do. In terms of traffic, you can create free YouTube videos like this one is, for example, and you can offer a discount to your course or membership like I'm doing right here. So make sure to check out the membership down in the description below and you can get access to all of my courses, design products, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So you can see what I did right here. You as a potential viewer maybe are interested in purchasing my membership, maybe interested in teaching on your own website, so perhaps you're going to explore and see what I have to offer. If you like it, you're going to purchase. If not, you're going to benefit me as a creator because you're going to position my website higher because I have your click and you visited my website. So there are many different benefits of teaching on your own website, but the key benefit, apart from making money, of course, is make sure you are passionate about it, make sure that you really enjoy what you are doing, and that way it's not going to look like work it's more going to look like something of stuff of dreams, because you're going to enjoy what you're doing and you're going to earn money while you're doing it. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.